record. Now, for more on semiconductors, bring in markets reporter Sheila Dharmarajan. She has been keeping tabs on semiconductor stocks and tells us why chip makers are still on the rise here.
Well, Matt, it's not only Intel that's been rising today, but semiconductor stocks have been on quite a run this year. We've been following the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. The ticker is SOX, and it's made up of 18 semiconductor companies. And year-to-date performance for the index is great, soaring 33% and easily beating both the NASDAQ and the S&P. So why are investors so bullish on semiconductor stocks? A couple of big themes to talk about here. First is that chip inventories are low and consumer demand is looking brighter, so the combination of the two means that more chips are needed. Second, I talked to Cody Acree at Stifel Nicolaus, and he said that after dealing with 2 years of declining demand cycle, these companies have done a really nice job on taking out cost and improving profitability. So if demand comes back, the upside should drop right to the bottom line. And speaking of that bottom line, analysts are very upbeat about the sector. We tracked analyst estimates for all of the companies in the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, and analysts increased estimates for 14 out of 18 companies. And also companies like Marvell and Texas Instruments have already announced better than expected earnings. So some really good vibes and everything, Matt.
Some really good vibes, and I'm sure some investors also expecting that this rally may come to an end. There's always two sides to every...
Well, you never know when things are going to end, but if the rally does end, the sentiment is that it's not a bad place to park your money. 56% of the companies in the index pay dividends. So investors are actually being paid while they wait for future growth, and which is just not a bad thing at all these days. You know, we looked at the dividend-paying stocks in the index, and the average yield is 2.9%. So things are looking very good for these guys.
All right, excellent.